My 2001 Honda Prelude Mugen bumper. Gonna fix the cracks, fiberglass. Front and back and at the bottom. Little flaws. Bottom's probably the worst thing on the bumper. That's easy. I'm gonna fix that. The bottom is probably the worst. Fix all that. Right now I am going to fix the cracks on the bumper. Trying to fix the shape from the back to the front. Clean the back, sanded it a little bit, shaped it up. First step is done. Hoping the back side takes shape. Fix the back. Now just gotta wait. Let it dry. And then we can focus on the front. Pretty easy. Just takes time. Bottom, this is the worst side. All fixed already. Just gotta let it sit for about an hour or two. Here in California it's hot. Give it 2 hours, it should be good. And we'll work on the front. Now that the back side of the bumper is all good, right now I'm planning to do the front. Fix all the damage right here. I'm gonna clamp the back side to do this part. Kind of took a shape that I didn't really want, but I think I could fix that right there. So time to do this one. Same process as the back. Just lay the sheets. Easy. Got it a little carried away. Currently how the bumper sits. What I did was I sanded this part right here. Just got a little bit to prep for bundle. I primered it just to kind of show where I was at. What I still need to do. Fix that. All this right here, shaped out the corners. Still need to do the bottom. Okay. July 18th. How the bumper sits as of today. I did a little bit of body work before I took this video. Right now I'm going to do fiberglass, shape it in. I also did a little bit to chase the cracks on the bumper. There's a crack going down right here. Made a little line of the crack just so I could fill it in. And the shape right here. And also this part, I'm trying to chase the crack right here. Gonna get that fiberglass, and we'll go from there. All shaped up. Sanding down the fiberglass. Well, I laid the fiberglass already and I sanded it already. Just gotta show it. That's how it looks like. Still a couple things I want to fix. Just as that. Just fix all the 80 grit, 60 grit. Sand them out. Other than that, the shape of the lip. It's pretty decent. That's what it is. It's alright. Coming along. Got my primer ready to go. Got the bumper ready to go. Sanded down most of the cracks I could get. Hoping the filler primer will collect most of it. I know it's not the best position to spray, but it should do for primer. Came out flawless on the primer, at least. Some things I want to fix. That's the main one right there. It's a big one. Right there. Some little pinholes. Other than that, the primer laid down pretty nice. Like butter. There. So right now my plan is to make a custom grille for the Mugen bumper. My idea is to make a mold. I will not be using gel coat. I don't have gel coat. Making a mold for the fiberglass grille. Just gonna lay aluminum foil down, lay some fiberglass on top. After that, hopefully you should be able to pop off. I've never done this before. Just an idea that I've thought of. Hopefully it should work. Using this to stick it. Here it is. Applied the fiberglass, laid down the resin. Try to mock the lineup as close as I can of the grill. Pretty simple, pretty easy, no gel coat. Hopefully it'll come out as clean as I imagine it to, but here it is. I After about a day and a half's work, laying down fiberglass, bondo, sanding, I was able to get it pretty nice. Took it off the aluminum foil, came off pretty nice. There was some bumps, there was some defects, such as, you know, here. Laid some bondo, sanded it down, lined it up pretty nice too. Not the best, but it's alright. Shape is pretty nice. I don't know how the OEM one is, but looks good to me. Pretty damn straight. Up next, I'm going to plan to primer it and then do some spot putty. After that, I have some resin coming in. I want to do a carbon fiber overlay on it and then vacuum seal it. I've never done that before, but hopefully it should be good. Here it is. Aluminum foil still there. Laid down some primer. Here's how it sits. Voila, it looks pretty good. Minor pinholes. Not too worried though. The carbon fiber overlay will cover it. But it looks good. Here's how it looks. Pretty nice. Pretty on point. Lines up okay. I don't expect it to be perfect because it's a replica. I just wanted to have the same kind of style and look. So what I have here now is some resin and some dye. I plan to vacuum seal the carbon fiber in a bag. I've seen them do that. It turns out pretty good. Here is the front, how it looks. Line it up pretty nice. I mean, it's alright. Not the best. But see how it goes. After 2 layers of carbon fiber overlay, here it is. Epoxy resin with the peel away and the breather pad. Turned out better than I thought. Little wrinkles, little here and there, but other than that, turned out pretty damn nice. After about 5 coats, this is how it looks. You can still see the wrinkles, but for the first time, it don't really look that bad. Just need to clear coat. It's the final product. After primer, after wet sanding, I had to redo it just because I messed up. Didn't mess up, but I just wanted to sand it again and do it just to make it perfect. Not perfect, but looks good. Second coat. Messed up right here. And right here. All those bubbles. Or dirt. Here it is. Final coat. Bumper looks pretty damn good. Speaking above. Just don't come too close. Not too happy with the side mirrors. There were some defects in it. But came out okay. Same thing with the grill. Not perfect, but looks pretty damn good. And this wing came out really good. A little run right there, but it's cool. This bumper though. Little to no orange peel.